Hi everybody,
And flowers.
Muffin and Flowers RV Adventures. We just got done looking at the coolest scenery we've seen in a long time, called Lost Creek State Park. Waterfalls and mountains and cliffs and evergreen trees, and it was amazing. Please hit the subscribe button and like, please, and enjoy the video. Okay, we are on our way to a state park called Lost Creek State Park, and it's supposed to have some sort of a waterfall, but I had to stop and get a short video to splice into this one of some of these hills that we're driving through, because they're just so amazing. So there we go. That will be good. Okay, we're gonna look straight up. Up, 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 up. Looks small right now, but trust me, it is not small. Oh. Hey, this is Muffin from Muffin and Flowers RV Adventures. Look where we're at. We're right in the heart of these mountains here. It's amazing. This is a prelude to Lost Creek State Park in Anaconda, Montana. But I've seen this big old, but I don't know if you call it when it separates mountains from the hills. But anyhow, I can actually hear a creek in the background. Let's see if we can find it. There's some sort of a historic marker here. We're gonna go see this creek. I'm waiting for somebody to get out of the truck while I'm getting attacked by a bug. But look at these trees, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. We came from down that way. It's a fly that's driving me nuts. Okay, here we go, folks. Wish me luck. This is pretty cool. Look what's down here. I just wanted to get a picture of this. You could see the stream. Well, I can't actually see the creek, but you can hear it if you listen closely. Plus, if you go down in these woods, the bugs get a little crazy. Okay, let's read this. Lost Creek State Park, named after the small, clear mountain stream that runs through the bottom of this 3,000-foot deep canyon, is known for its gray limestone cliffs and pink and white granite formations that rise 1,200 feet above the canyon floor. The creek, which cascades over a 50-foot drop at Lost Creek Falls, is a tributary to the Clark Fork River and home to brook and brown trout. There's a map of it. I gotta get out of here. The bugs are. A landscape of tradition. We won't read this one, but I just wanted to have it on here. We gotta get back in the truck. The bugs are insane. Okay, so here we are. We could look way, way, way up there. It's a long ways, even though it doesn't look like it. We are going to go see if we can see this creek and find this waterfall. Yeah, check this out. This is just a picnic. Oh, there it is. Oh my. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Now I'm going down there this time. Very slowly. Are you coming? Oh, you gotta see this, honey. It's a little bit rough, so we better be very careful. Look at this, guys. Wow. If that ain't amazing, I don't know what is. Wow. Up close and personal with nature. I love it. This is a little picnic area. Okay, here we go. Rules, rules, rules. Camping in bear country. Oh boy. Here we go. Here's the fees. This is so wonderful and amazing.
There's your bathroom. Right behind you.
There's my baby over there. It said climb a hill, no problem. It goes way, way, way down yonder. And everywhere around here, including where we're staying, is like this. I could stare at this all day. Okay, just for the record, this does go uphill. And considering my heart rate gets jacked up pretty quick, I may have to take a short rest. I'm not sure which way we go. Let's check this way. Yep, this way was easier to go up here. The other one had no pavement. It's only supposed to be 1/10 of a mile. A little bit more uphill. There's a bench. We're gonna stop. Oh my. Can you see that through the trees? Okay. This is it. This is what we came for. Can you all see that down there? Look at that. Pretty amazing, guys. Okay, I think we're going to have to head back. Because frankly, I'm pushing my luck with my medical issues.